Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt parfait easy guide. Start by rinsing and slicing fruit, then measure 1 cup yogurt and 1/2 cup granola. Layer yogurt first, then granola, then fruit. Repeat layers until the glass is full, finishing with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of nuts for texture and flavor. Enjoy immediately or chill for 10 minutes to meld flavors. Choose ingredients that match your taste and budget, like Greek yogurt for thickness or plain yogurt for fewer calories, and pick seasonal fruit for peak flavor. Measure portions to balance textures. Aim for roughly equal parts yogurt and granola, with fruit as the highlight. Consider a flavored dollop or a spoon of jam for sweetness if needed. Keep toppings like nuts separate until serving to preserve crunch and freshness. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support more cozy kitchen guides and share what you make. Quick recommendation. Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite is a fun companion for slow breakfasts or meal prep sessions, pairing perfectly with a yogurt parfait and a quiet morning. Check the description for the product link and other great deals, and now let's get back to the video. Layer thoughtfully to get every spoonful balanced and pretty. Always begin with a base of yogurt to protect granola from moisture. Use thinly sliced fruit and small handfuls of granola so layers stack neatly and flavors mix consistently. For an elegant finish, add a sprinkle of seeds or a few whole berries on top. These small steps make the parfait both delicious and visually appealing for serving to guests or enjoying alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.